Assalamu alaikum. Thank you for inviting me here. I believe that there is a deep understanding at the part of all regulators, including stock exchange, that the continuity of the business is the most important thing. And in that perspective, it is important to keep all these stakeholders informed and involved in decision making. In this regard, if we look at the role of PSX, the comprehensive disclosure requirement that are in place for all the listed companies plays a very important role to all the stakeholders to be informed about the company's health. That includes its financial strength also. So there is a detailed and comprehensive requirement, but I'm not going into that detail in the interest of the time. And in addition to that, there is a regulatory filing requirement also that all the listed companies are required to file periodically with the SECP and with PSX also. That also helps the entire stakeholders be informed that what is the current financial state of the company. In addition to that, the requirement to comply with the Code of Corporate Governance plays an important role, because then it is important for all the listed companies to disclose all material information. So if there is any disruption or suspension in their primary business or any other material information which could have an adverse impact on the company's financial situation or continuity of the business, that has to be disclosed at the PSX to all these stakeholders, which helps the stakeholders to be informed about the company's health. In addition to that, as mentioned here, the credit rating report as well as the reporting of report of auditors, that helps the stakeholders to be informed that what is the health of the company. So these requirement by these stock exchange, which compel all the listed companies to make a timely disclosure to the market participants, plays a very important role to be informed about the company's health. In addition to that, the PSX itself has a surveillance system. So in case a company fails to disclose the information timely, that's the stage where PSX take an initiative and it get involved and look into the system, and its surveillance system helps it identify that where the companies are non-compliant. And in that scenarios, PSX has a complete system where the appropriate actions are taken against those companies, so to make sure that in future those kind of non-compliance doesn't happen. So that's how the PSX is playing its very effective role to ensure that the timely disclosure are made by all the listed companies. Having said that, I think what is most important in this scenario is the role of the board of directors, because the role of the board of directors is very important and effective in this scenario to make sure that whatever the regulatory and legal requirements are placed on the listed companies, those are not only comply for the sake of compliance only, but in fact they are truly complied in the true letter of spirit. That's how the board can play its effective role and make sure that the interest of all the stakeholders, particularly the company's continuity of business, is ensured.
Thank you very much.